Hey everybody, welcome back. Today is AirPods Pro is the official name for them. Why are they Pro? Everything's Pro now. I don't know any Pro that will actually wear these that, you know, for Pro stuff. But hey, marketing. But I'm still super excited about them. I love my original AirPods. I've had AirPods since day 2, I think, actually. I couldn't get them on day 1, but I got them the second day. And I've gotten the wireless charging version on day 1. So, and I've had, these go everywhere with me, everywhere. So, highly recommend these things. But anyway, so let's unbox this thing and see what's all inside and then sync it up. So now that we have it unboxed, let's just kind of compare the two. So if you look, you can see it's just a little taller. It seems about the same. They're the same width. So I always put mine in that little fifth pocket in my jeans. So I'm thinking these should still fit in there. They might just hang out a little bit more, which might make them easier to get out. So that would be cool. But overall, I'm like, they're pretty comparable size-wise. So that's good. All right, but let's go ahead and get these paired up and try them out. So it's been a full 24 hours now since my original unboxing, and so I've worn it for multiple hours. I've charged it up and I've used it on the treadmill. I've used it outside, just tried all the different scenarios that kind of happen day to day. I still have very mixed feelings on it. So I definitely can't say, yes, you need it, it's awesome, get it now. But at the same time, I also wouldn't say, no, don't get it, blah, blah, blah. So it's a tough one. I like it. The size of it is great. Like I said, it's about the same size as the other one, just a little taller if you put it this way. So it still fits in my little fifth pocket fine. And it's hard. It's very hard to say which is better. The originals go in and out of your ear a lot easier for me. I have changed the tips multiple times, and I can't find a good fit. It doesn't feel good in my ear. So that's a big I don't know if I'm gonna keep these. But the other thing is I got one large and one medium, I believe, is what I'm trying now. And the medium doesn't feel like it's suction, closed off enough most of the time. And the large just feels too big. But that's what it's recommended so far. So, I don't know. If you already have the Generation 2 AirPods and noise cancellation's not a big deal, then skip it. I would have no problem skipping it. My thing is when I was on the treadmill, it was pretty amazing. I couldn't really hear the treadmill. You just hear just a very faint, but it's overall, it's a great product. If you can deal with these things in your ears, you should be fine. If you don't like them, then definitely stay away. I'm still not sure what I'm doing. I think it's probably going to go back to Apple. That's my initial thoughts. I know a lot of people are loving them. I know a lot of people are saying, it's amazing. Here's the other thing. Going outside, listening to music, walking around traffic, I couldn't tell that much of a difference between when noise cancellation was on and when transparency was on. Maybe that's because I was listening to the music too loud anyway, or maybe it was something with just didn't work. But I could still hear the traffic, which I guess is a good thing. But if you have noise canceling on, probably shouldn't hear the traffic, so maybe it's something with the closed offness, but the ear test says I got a good seal. So like I said, it's a hard one for me. Like as of right now, I'm thinking it's a pass. I'm gonna give it a week. I'll do another video, next week on it and let you guys know what I've decided. But so far, like right now, I believe I'm returning it. I like them. There's some times when it's like I said, on the treadmill, it sounded amazing. And that was great. I do love the fact that they've kept the original. Like, these are not a replacement for the original. Like, I can hands down say that they should offer both. It's just... It's a user experience to, what you like. If the other ones fit you perfectly, like me, like, I feel like my ears were, like, blessed by Johnny Ive himself. Because those things fit perfectly. I've never had them fall out, even when running on the treadmill, running outside, doing all crazy stuff, shaking the head. I'm not going to do that right now because it looks stupid when people do it. But anyway, I've never had an issue with them. And that's why these don't give me that, like, ooh, that secure feeling. They just give me this feeling of, it's a lot of extra money for, noise canceling when I can just turn the volume up a little louder, which is horrible for your ears. I have bad hearing anyway, so it's a tough one. But anyway, I hope you liked the video. I will do another one next week about it. I got a few more that I'm working on. My watch videos are coming up. So I have, I still got to finish up the 1 month with the Series 5. And I want to show the ceramic with every band that I got. Like, I think that would be kind of fun to see, what it looks like with all the different types of bands that I have. So, yeah. So, that's it for this one. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't, just still hit the thumbs up. Pity me. I am not above taking your pity. Let's just say that. So, but also feel free to comment down below. I've loved the comments that I've gotten on some of my old videos, my older videos. Not that they were old. So definitely hit me up with comments, questions, anything you might have about these. I've tried them on my phone, on the iPad, and on my Mac. It works great on all. It's transitions just as well as the other ones. Every once in a while, it's like this, getting it to the max a little weird, but for the most part, it works pretty well. So yeah, so that's it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.